Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. If you are clicking on this video, you probably watched the video prior or like the prequel to this video, if you will. This is just organizing all of my singles. I just got through decluttering. I have a big stack of decluttered eyeshadows underneath my tripod right now. But these are all of the eyeshadows that I'm keeping. And what that means is we get to organize into here. I'm super excited. I'm not really 100% sure how I want this organized. I'm thinking still by like relative color family. That's kind of how I've always done my storage palette. I don't know why, it just is very pleasing to my eye. I am not gonna talk too much because I just got done talking for like, I'm not kidding, like an hour and a half filming the declutter. I just yammered on for ages. So I am going to just probably put some music over this, put everything away, and we'll touch base in a bit. First, what I want to do is just wipe this down with my really dirty makeup wipe. All right, it's good enough. It's good enough. So, you know what's not going to be fun is going through my eyeshadow inventory and then redoing all of these. I had to do it when I depotted. I just did it for when I depotted and decluttered my Juvia's Place palettes. I will link that video in the cards. And now since we've decluttered, I'm going to have to go through it again, but it's going to be more challenging because I got rid of like 40% of my collection of singles, not of my whole collection, but just of eyeshadow singles. All right, let's just get to organizing. Stop complaining, Laura. Get to organizing. No one wants to hear you talk anymore. They're all pink, by the way. Like, you can't really tell. The light's washing it out, but they're all pink. Oh my gosh, I have a whole freaking row in here available. This is fantastic. Okay, I am going to move my Cleona shades in here, and then that's it. I'm so excited. That is it though. This is my newly rearranged magnetic singles palette. I'm so happy. This is very, very nice. I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. I am much more interested in using these now that everything's kind of in one place rather than kind of scattered throughout the two larger palettes. I do need to eventually use and test out this Nomad palette and see if I want to keep these shades or if I want to declutter any of them and repan them into the same size as these. But I will, that is a not right now kind of problem. I'm just thrilled to bits to have completed this. This was a very daunting task that I've been putting off. Like I've been wanting to do this for a while, like months, and I've just kind of been putting it off. So I am absolutely thrilled that I've done this. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed some of like the chill music over it, but that is it. Let me know if there's anything, any shades you want to see out of this. But yeah, I will catch you in my next video. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe. And until then, bye.